This is a cybercriminal, a nasty piece of work. He is currently trying to hack into an unsuspecting social media manager's accounts for sensitive information. He is Cyberto. However, it doesn't take an evil genius to figure out that there are some passwords that are highly predictable and unfortunately common. ABC123, QWERTY, Password1, and many others are examples of this. He frantically attempts each one of them, one after another, into Josie's password field for her email. Aha! Looks like you may have underestimated Josie there, Cyberto. Her account remains secure. Unless, of course, she has left an alternate way of guessing her password on her public social media. Oh no! Josie's publicly shared obsession for this pop star is an easy assumption for what she might use as her password, that anyone after a simple Google search of her name can see. Oh, and now he's in. Oh goodness, look at all that data that he's managed to come across. The file names to those attachments. Could you sound more juicy? At the click of a button, these are downloaded and company data has been compromised. Being the social media manager, Josie runs other social media accounts for the company. Let's hope she hasn't used the same password for them. Looks like she did. So how could Josie have been more secure when creating her accounts? As opposed to birthdays, pets, interests, etc., it's better to have a password that isn't directly linked to publicly obtainable information about yourself. This time, Josie comes up with 3 random words: Blue ampersand Kentucky 48. Ah, now that's a strong password. Just avoid writing them down and displaying them. Let's see Cyberto try to guess that now. Though he's clearly struggling a lot more than before, it's not impossible for it to come by pure chance. See? Luckily though, Josie also has two-factor authentication turned on. This means that instead of letting Cyberto get into her emails, the email service asks for a code from an authenticator app to confirm her identity. She should take this opportunity to change her password. Foiled again, Cyberto. Never use generic passwords like ABC123 or Password1. Don't use any personal information like birthdays or pet names in passwords. Avoid writing down passwords or sharing them between colleagues. Turn on two-factor authentication.